So who are your friends at school, Avril? Do you have any friends at school? In your class? Who's your friend?
Kira, Dad.
Kira is your friend? And who else?
Zoe is my friend.
Joe is your friend. What do you do at school? What do you like to do?
Play with some toys.
Yeah, what toys do you like? The Nemo one?
Huh?
What else?
Dory.
Dory?
Here.
Do you like doing writing with a pencil?
Yeah.
What letter are you going to write?
Why the pumpkin one? Why the pumpkin one?
Oh, are you going to write an A for Avril? Good. What are you doing?
I'm grumpy.
Yeah. What happened to your knee, Avril?
Because of Band-Aid.
Why?
Princess and the Frog.
It is.
Huh?
It is.
Christy do that.
Christy did that?
Huh?
Oh, nice. Did you say thank you?
Thank you. It's not here, man.
She did not hear you.
No.